How to create a stunning website design for kitchen remodel. A website that looks good is important for any business these days, but it's especially important for kitchen makeover companies that have to compete with other companies. Houston, a place full of life and new ideas, needs websites that not only show off expertise but also grab people's attention from the very first click. You need to be creative, make sure the website works well, and know a lot about the Houston market to make a beautiful website design for kitchen remodeling. We'll go over the most important steps you need to take to make a website that not only shows off your services but also has an effect on people who visit it. Figuring out what makes Houston's market unique. Houston is a hub for kitchen makeover businesses because a lot of different kinds of people live there, and the economy is busy. Before you start designing a website, you need to know the trends, tastes, and competition in your local market. Do a lot of study on the market to find out who your target audience is, what they like, and what makes your kitchen remodeling services stand out. Knowing how the market works in Houston will help you with the design process and make sure that your website meets the needs of your public. Set the tone for your brand. For a website to be interesting, it needs to have a strong company identity. Figure out the personality, beliefs, and unique selling points of your brand. Your brand personality should connect with your ideal customers and set your Houston kitchen remodeling services apart from others in the city. Consistency in your brand's logo, color palette, typography, and style should be used throughout the website to make the user experience seamless and memorable. Structure and navigation of a website that makes sense. A website's layout and navigation should be well organized and easy for users to find their way around. Start by making a list of the important pages and the order of the content based on the wants and needs of your target audience. A website for kitchen remodeling might have parts like Home, About Us, Services, Portfolio, Testimonials, and Contact Us. Make sure the navigation menu is easy to read on all devices and is clear and to the point. Use drop-down menus, links, and other easy-to-use navigation tools to help people find their way around your website. Interesting visual design. Visual design is a big part of getting people's attention and showing them how good and stylish your kitchen makeover services are. Pick high-quality pictures of your past work that show how things changed before and after, as well as design details and your skills. Include visual elements that make you feel a sense of luxury, comfort, and usefulness, which are all things that Houston homeowners care about. To make a plan that looks good and is easy to read, pay attention to the color scheme, fonts, and white space. Being mobile-friendly. Since most people browse the internet on their phones, making sure your website is mobile-friendly is a must for a beautiful design. The people of Houston are always on the go, so your website needs to work well on phones, tablets, and computers. Adopt a mobile-first design philosophy, putting important content and features at the top of the list for smaller screens while also making sure that the shift to bigger screens is smooth. Thoroughly test your website on a range of devices and screen sizes to find and fix any problems with how it works for people. Adopt local SEO. In Houston, which is a big and competitive place, you need to be high up in local search results if you want to get free traffic to your website. Use local search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to make your website more visible in searches that are specific to Houston. It includes adding important keywords about kitchen remodeling in Houston to meta tags, headings, and content. Claim and improve your Google My Business page to show up higher in local search results and bring in more potential customers in the Houston area. Interesting content. An important part of any great website is its interesting content. Make material that is interesting and useful for people who want to learn more about kitchen remodeling, trends, and best practices. Add videos, infographics, and customer reviews, among other multimedia elements, to improve the user experience and show off your skills. Adding new, useful content to your blog regularly will help you become a thought leader, get more visitors, and move up in the search engine results. Add calls to action, CTAs. Calls to action, CTAs, put strategically on your website can help visitors turn into customers. CTAs lead visitors to take the next step in their trip, whether that's to schedule a consultation, get a quote, or look through your portfolio. Use clear, convincing wording that gets across the value proposition and encourages people to take action. Use eye-catching styles and colors that stand out to make sure that call to actions, CTAs, are easy to see on the right pages. Improve the speed and performance of your website. A website that takes a long time to load can lose visitors and hurt your search engine results. Improve the speed and performance of your website to make viewing it smooth and enjoyable. To speed up loading times, you can compress images, minify CSS and JavaScript files, use browser caching, and pay for servers that you can trust. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights and GTmetrix to check and examine your website's performance regularly. Then, make any changes that are needed to speed it up and improve the user experience. Using proof from other people. In this day and age, social proof is a great way to get potential customers to trust and believe in your business. Include social proof on your website to convince people that you are knowledgeable and trustworthy. Put client testimonials, case studies, and before and after pictures in a prominent place on your website to show off your past wins and happy clients. To improve your online image and get more leads in Houston, ask happy customers to leave reviews on sites like Google My Business, Yelp, and Houzz. Virtual tours and interactive parts. Interactive features and video tours will get people interested in your kitchen remodeling business and make them feel like they are there. Show off your portfolio and design skills in an interesting way by using dynamic sliders, 360-degree panoramic views, and virtual reality experiences. Let people look at different kitchen layouts, design styles, and material choices so they can picture their ideal Houston kitchen redo. Adding interactive elements not only keeps users interested but also shows that you care about new ideas and customer happiness. Using analytics to keep getting better. The process of making a beautiful website design for a Houston kitchen remodel continues even after the site goes live. To stay ahead of the competition and meet the changing wants of your audience, you need to keep making things better. Use website analytics tools, like Google Analytics, to keep an eye on important success metrics, such as where your traffic is coming from, how your users are behaving, and your conversion rate. Regularly look at the data to find ways to make things better, improve the performance of your website, and take advantage of new possibilities in the Houston market. Upkeep and repairs regularly. Keeping a beautiful website up to date takes constant care and attention. Keep your website fresh and up to date by adding new content, portfolio items, and recommendations regularly. Keep an eye out for technology problems, broken links, and information that is no longer relevant. Fix these problems right away to make sure that users have a smooth experience. To keep your website competitive in the Houston market, keep up with the newest web design trends, tools, and best practices and use them on your site. Putting money into regular maintenance and updates shows that you are dedicated to professionalism and greatness. Come to an end of the topic. A beautiful website design for a kitchen remodel in Houston needs to be a smart mix of creativity, usefulness, and a deep knowledge of the local market. You can make a website that not only shows off your knowledge but also engages and captivates visitors by defining your brand identity, organizing your website strategically, using eye-catching visual design, and putting mobile responsiveness and local SEO at the top of your list of priorities. Always keep an eye on and improve your website to make sure it stays a useful tool for getting new customers and closing deals in the tough Houston kitchen remodeling market.